Now in this video, we're going to go over some of the options in the RS2 app, the Repair Solutions 2 app that you can use with the Innova 5610. Now this is a free but optional supplemental resource to use that will provide fix information off the codes you have, or it also has things like predictive maintenance, or predictive repairs, I should say, maintenance items, TSBs, technical service bulletins and recalls, warranty status, cost to own, and vehicle history report. Now, the most basic thing you use this for is to get your engine codes. So this Chevy has 4 engine codes. You can go in and show the details, and it breaks it down in layman terms. You can go and look for the part on Amazon or your store of choice. But what I'm going to get into first is the maintenance items here. So maintenance items is an option. It gives you, telling you, look, 13 items are due at this mileage. The estimated cost is going to be around here. Simple, right? Hit the back arrow button on the top left corner of the screen to go back, and then next to maintenance items you have predicted repairs, and it shows 4 items. Based on our data, it is likely that the following repairs will be required for this vehicle within 12 months, so that is very handy to have. Also, there's TSBs and recalls. Now this will let you know if there's any dealer recalls, so you can get your vehicle in and they'll take care of it, no charge. Technical service bulletins, you can actually get the bulletin yourself and from the website, it will take you there, and then you could attempt to do it on your own, or take it to a repair shop or down to the dealer. So many options, but just keep hitting the back arrow button on the top to get back. And then you have warranty. Tap to view warranty status, and it shows your warranty status of basic coverage or the powertrain coverage and so on. When we go back, we also have the cost to own. Cost to own gives you like a 5-year cost to own in your vehicle based off the miles you drive, miles per gallon, cost per gallon, annual insurance costs, and then they have depreciation, repairs, things like that. So this is a handy thing to have to help you manage your finances more with your vehicle. And then when you hit the back arrow and go back again, we have another option called the vehicle history report, which is just like a Carfax. Now this is the only thing, if you choose to use it, that charges you. It's $10 a one-time report. This is for buying or selling vehicles. So the report contains the whole history from the vehicle, the title history, junk, salvage, title brand, and so on, as you can see listed. And then I'll tip on the sample report so you get an idea. So this is a handy feature to use if you're trying to buy or sell your car. But again, everything else on this app is free, especially the best part of it. I'll actually tell you about your codes and how to fix them.